Ah, dear friends, let's go on another amusing journey through the annals of history to uncover the humble beginnings of a household essential, the bath mat. Picture this, it's a rainy day in ancient Rome, and you, a noble citizen, have just stepped out of a luxurious bath in your opulent villa. But oh, what's this? Your feet, still damp from the soothing waters, meet the cold, hard floor beneath you. Fear not, for our story begins here, with the invention of the bath mat. Now, as with many inventions, the exact origins of the bath mat are shrouded in mystery. Some historians claim that the ancient Greeks were the first to use rudimentary bath mats made from reeds or rushes to prevent slipping in their communal baths. Others argue that the Egyptians crafted early versions from woven papyrus to absorb excess moisture. Whoever the ingenious individual was, we owe them a debt of gratitude for introducing this small yet significant comfort into our lives. Fast forward to medieval Europe, where bathing was often a communal affair shared in large wooden tubs. Can you imagine the horror of stepping out onto the cold stone floor of a drafty castle after such a cozy soak? It was during this time that the bath mat truly began to evolve, with resourceful artisans fashioning them from scraps of cloth or rushes to provide a soft landing for weary feet. But it wasn't until the Renaissance that the bath mat truly came into its own. With the resurgence of interest in hygiene and personal grooming, bathhouses became popular gathering spots for socializing and relaxation. Enterprising craftsmen seized the opportunity to ply their trade, creating exquisite bath mats adorned with intricate designs and lavish materials fit for royalty. As the centuries passed, the bath mat continued to evolve alongside advances in technology and design. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production, making bath mats accessible to people of all walks of life. No longer a luxury reserved for the elite, the humble bath mat became a staple in households around the world, providing comfort and safety in bathrooms everywhere. Today, the bath mat remains a beloved fixture in homes across the globe. From plush, memory foam varieties to eco-friendly bamboo alternatives, there's a bath mat to suit every taste and budget. So the next time you step out of the shower and feel the soft embrace of your trusty bath mat beneath your feet, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of innovation and ingenuity that went into its creation. And there you have it, dear friends, the fascinating tale of the bath mat, a simple yet indispensable invention that has brought comfort and joy to countless lives throughout history. So go forth and pamper your feet, for you walk upon the legacy of centuries past with every step you take.